Good morning, everyone. My name is Drew. This is my homework for lesson number 3 of the Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi with Paul McWhorter, TalkTechBoy.com. And this is just so our homework was to get all 4 LEDs to blink at the same time. As you see, I have not figured that out yet. I'm gonna post the rest once I figure it out in the same video, but I wanted to also share where it seems that I've went wrong. I'll tell you what, I noticed that there's only 3 grounds on this Arduino board, and we needed 4 LEDs. So at first, I got out 4 black wires thinking I was going to be able to plug it into 4 grounds. We did not have that. So I thought, okay, well, if you don't have 4 total grounds, you got to use 1 and put it, all these connected together. And I decided to use the negative side of that board, and they do connect. But what I did, it looks like, was that I wrote it in a way that they are consecutive. Instead of blinking all at the same time, they blink one after each other. So it technically works, but it doesn't work for what I wanted to do. So I'm going to come back in a little bit once I figured out the solution. My best guess as to what went wrong so far is that I claimed each of these independently, 10, 11, 12. Maybe if I claim them together, 10, 11, 12, 13, maybe I'll get my desired result. Let's see. Update, that does not work. So, gotta figure out another solution. Okay, I've got an idea, but it involves 5 black wires instead of 4 black wires. My idea is to have each one of these red LEDs connected to a black wire like I would have if I wanted to connect them all back to their own ground, but then I'm going to connect them to a separate part on the board with one of these rows with another black wire together. Since there's 5 total holes, I thought, okay, I can connect 5 wires in a row, and I'll connect it back to one ground. Let's see if that works. Still no, so let's see if maybe putting them in parentheses works separate. I'll come back in a sec. Finally, I have figured out what my error all along had been. My error all along had been that I did not... Could I put a delay after each one beforehand? So that's why it was going one at a time. Now since I wrote them all together in this chunk like this, it was able to work. So with a half-second delay between each on and off. Now they're all blinking, and it is lovely. Glad that I finally figured it out. I left in all of my errors, so you know that I took my time doing this and figured it out. So that will be the conclusion of this lesson's homework. Thank you very much. See y'all next time.